Have you ever reached for a coin at the bottom of a pool and missed? Or seen your reflection in a window right alongside the world outside? These aren't magic tricks. They're the work of two fundamental ways light interacts with the world: reflection and refraction. Reflection is basically a bounce. When light hits a smooth surface like a mirror, it follows one strict rule. The angle it comes in is the exact same angle it bounces out. This creates a perfect, clear image. But on a rough surface, like your shirt, the light hits millions of tiny angled surfaces and scatters in every direction. That's why you can see the shirt itself, but you can't see your reflection in it. Refraction is where things get weird. Light actually changes speed as it moves through different materials. It's fastest in a vacuum, slower in air, and slower still in water. When light enters water at an angle, it slows down and bends. This bending is refraction, and it's why a straw in a glass looks broken. Your brain assumes light travels in a straight line, so it misjudges the straw's true position. This same effect causes shimmering mirages on hot roads, as light from the sky bends through layers of hot air. But the most powerful trick happens when you combine these ideas. If light traveling through water tries to exit into the air at a very shallow angle, it can't escape. Instead of bending out, it reflects perfectly back into the water, as if it hit a flawless mirror. This is called total internal reflection, and it's the secret engine of our modern world. We use it in fiber optic cables, trapping pulses of light inside a thin glass wire. The light bounces endlessly off the inside walls, traveling for miles without escaping. So, that broken straw? It's not just an optical illusion, it's the same physics that carries the internet across oceans and delivers this podcast to you right now.